Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hi kids, welcome to SySy Toys. It's good to see you again. Today we're going to open the Slicer Rific peelable fruits and vegetables. Let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to open it.
Okay kids, we've just unboxed the toys. Now we're gonna show the wet fruits and vegetables to you.
Yeah.
So let's start with the
cauliflower.
Yeah, so this is a cauliflower.
Yeah.
It's white and green in color.
Yeah.
Okay, let's peel this.
Yeah. Now the other side.
Now let's peel this side.
There.
And now let's slice the cauliflower.
Hey, that's mine. Oh, you slice it. Ooh, look at the inside.
So this is what it looks from inside.
Yeah, and I'll show you the outside, guys. So this is what it looks from the outside. So these ones are the leaves.
Okay, now let's peel and slice the... Shall we go for the pineapple?
No, the banana.
Okay, let's peel the banana. Okay, so here's the banana.
Yeah, we're gonna peel it.
And what color is this?
Yellow.
Yay! So banana is yellow in color.
Yeah, and I know the colors, of course.
And let's peel it.
Yes, peel it. I'll peel one. It's my turn. Get it out.
And this is the banana.
Yeah, this is the banana. Oopsies. Put it in the wrong place. There, that's better.
Yeah. Okay, now let's do the... Let's go for the orange.
No, the corn, I think.
Okay, you want to do the corn?
Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
Here's the corn, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna peel it somewhere. Maybe all over it. It's coming off a little. Can you peel it? Whoa.
So this is the corn.
Yeah, and it's the inside only.
And what color is the corn?
Yellow.
Yeah.
It's again yellow.
It's yellow again.
Yeah, it's yellow.
Okay, now let's peel the...
lettuce, I think.
So here's the lettuce.
Yeah. So you're gonna peel it, but first, let's see what color it is.
What color do you think it is?
Green.
Yeah.
Let's
So
peel.
lettuce is green in color.
Yeah. I want to peel one, please. That's way. Peel it.
There we have the lettuce.
Just have to put it in there. Oh, spinning around.
Okay, so what are we doing next?
So we're gonna do the orange. Look at the orange. See?
Here we go. That's the
Let's
orange.
see what color it is.
And an orange is?
Orange.
What color is it? Orange color, yeah.
Let's peel it.
So this is the orange.
Yeah. Now let's peel it.
Okay.
Let's peel one. Ah.
Go. That's the skin. And this is the orange inside.
There you go. And this is orange as well. And this is, just peel one more. There we go. So this is the skin.
Yep.
The same as the skin. Anyway.
Okay, now let's
Go in the onion.
Okay, let's slice the onion. So
Yeah.
here's the onion.
Yeah, and I got the knife right here. See, in my hands.
Let's put it on the chopping board and peel it.
Yeah, like. Here's the knife. Whoa! One slice. Another slice.
Okay, so this is the onion.
Yeah?
Show it to you guys.
Yeah. So this
So
is
you
the
can
back.
slice it in 3 parts.
Yeah, so this is the front, this is back.
Whoops.
Oopsies! I fell.
Okay, let's move on to the...
Peas.
Okay, the peas in the pod.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have the peas in the pod.
Yeah. Can I peel one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To peel it.
Yeah.
I think it's
You
full.
have to open it.
So,
There you go. And the peas are color?
yeah. Green.
Yeah. Here are the peas.
It looks a bit like stacked up. Peas
Okay.
are stacked up, see?
So which fruit should we peel next?
The pineapple.
The pineapple?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
pineapple.
So pineapple is
Uh,
yellow in color.
Yeah, yellow in color and there's green there.
Yeah, green leaves.
Yeah.
So here's the pineapple. And let's slice it.
Yeah, and of course just like peel it as well.
And take
I
it
know.
out.
Yeah.
Let's take the pineapple out.
Yeah. Oh, so there.
So there we have it.
Yeah, now the last one is the peach.
So that's the pineapple inside.
Yeah.
The little slice of pineapple.
Yeah. Now let's do the peach.
Okay.
The last one.
Whoops.
Whoopsies.
Okay, now let's do the peach.
Yeah.
So here's the peach.
Yeah. Here's the knife. Here you
And
go.
what color is this?
Orange.
Yeah.
Here's his knife.
Thank you. Let's slice the peach
Yeah.
into halves.
Whoa, there's a seed.
Yeah, there's a seed inside.
What? So these are the vegetables that we peeled and sliced. And of course the fruits as well. Okay? Okay kids, I think that's it for today. I hope you liked our video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!